And we are live. This is the very first unboxing, live unboxing on the channel. So very excited. We are going to be checking out today the GoldenEar SuperCinema 3D Array X. There's two versions of this. There is the 3D Array X and the 3D Array XL. I have on hand today, we've got the X, we've got the smaller one. So we're going to unbox this today, take a look at it, go over some tech specs, and we'll see how nice it is. This thing retails for, I think it's like $1,100. I think it's $1,100 for this thing. So this is it right here. Now this isn't like your typical soundbar like from Samsung and Sony. This is not powered. You're gonna have to power this with like a receiver or a processor or something like that. So it's not self-powered. And it is $1,100. This particular soundbar has been out, I think it originally came out in 2012. So it's been out for a while. I guess back then powered soundbars weren't really a thing. So let's see. So this is a pretty heavy, it's kind of hefty soundbar. It's 17 pounds. Not quite as heavy as the Sennheiser, only because there's no amplifiers in this thing. But you can see here we got mounting template. Mounting template, so you guys can get this all lined up. There's the instruction manuals. Right there, SuperCinema 3D Array. So this is a 3.0 channel soundbar. There's left, right, and center. So you do get a dedicated center channel for your vocals. There was some kind of special technology in this that they invented back in 2012, which is a second set of drivers, which is used to eliminate crosstalk. Since the drivers are so close to each other in proximity, it's hard to get left and right separation. So they added, I think, another set of drivers. I don't know if they're out of phase or what, but it's supposed to help with crosstalk cancellation. So you get a wider sound coming from just a single point source. So it's a pretty big soundbar. As you can see, like my desk is 6 foot. 6 foot wide my desk is. And the soundbar is 49 inches wide. So it's 49 inches wide. It's 4 3/4 inches high and about 3 inches deep. Look at that, comes in a nice little cloth bag here to keep it from getting scratched up. Oh, it's a nice glossy finish. Check it out. Yeah, this is nice. Very nice, high quality. So I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Kind of dark. Hold on. Go back to the first one. So there you got your right channel, positive, negative, the center, and then your right side or left side. So it will need amplification, and if you want to hang it on your wall, it doesn't come with the wall brackets. It comes with keyhole slots, but you can also mount it if you have some soundbar mounting hardware with the inserts right there. So let's just swing it around. Like I said, it's kind of heavy, 17 pounds, and it's not made out of plastic. It's extruded aluminum, so it's got a solid build. And let's just take off the cover. Typical plastic cover, nothing really special there. Alright, so here's the bar here. You get your center, left, right. There is the second set of drivers, which I believe are these guys, which is supposed to help to cancel crosstalk, which is supposed to give you a wider soundstage. Front is plastic. You do get their folded ribbon tweeters. So it's supposed to be, if it's anything like their, what is it? I think I reviewed the Triton 7s earlier. If you missed that review, I did it on the Audiophile channel. That, you know, that sounded very similar to the Martin Logans that I reviewed earlier, the Motion series, where the tweeter is a bit warm, but provided a nice spacious sound, which I would expect this soundboard to sound very similar. But this is it here, man. This is a nice heavy soundbar. You will need amplification for this. It's got a frequency response of like 60 hertz to 35 kilohertz. Obviously, you're going to want to pair this with like a subwoofer. I mean, you don't have to, but there's a little bit of bass there, not too much. It's got a 91 decibel sensitivity. As you can see here, it's 8 ohms. There are 6 4.5 mid-bass drivers in there. And of course, 3 of the folded motion tweeters, which is their high velocity folded ribbon tweeters, which are these guys right there. So instead of pushing sound towards you, it pressurizes the air around it, which disperses the sound. So this is it, man. This is the unboxing. GoldenEar 3D Array Soundbar. I'm kind of interested to see how this is going to perform since I still have the ultra short throw set up. Because you know, you can't really put a regular center channel there. If you got a large center channel, it's hard to work with an ultra short throw. So like all the guys that want to keep their living rooms very sparse, keep things kind of well maintained, then a soundbar might be a good combination for an ultra short throw setup. It's not going to work with that projector that I had that rises from the floor, but it'll definitely work with the LG that I have here. But yeah, this is, like I said, it's $1,100. There's 2 versions. There's the X, which is the one that I have, and there's the XL. The XL is a little bit wider. That'll match better with like 65-inch televisions. This one, it's 49 inches wide, so it'll match better with like a 55-inch and smaller. And what's this here? Actually, frequency response, I thought it was 60 hertz. It's actually 80 hertz for both. So even though the larger one is bigger, it's got the same frequency response. I figured it would give you some more bass, but I guess not. I guess it's just designed to look Just designed to look better with larger TV sets. But that's it, man. First unboxing. What are you guys' thoughts on this? Have you guys heard of the GoldenEar soundbars? What did you think of it? Are you excited to check it out? I'm excited to check it out. Not a big soundbar guy, especially since most of the soundbars not the most powerful, especially the self-powered ones. So I'm curious to see how this performs with my own receiver, with my own power, to see if that actually makes a difference at all. That's a bad looking camera angle, right? Yeah, it's a much better looking camera. But yeah, I will be back soon with the full review. Soundbars are pretty easy to review, so I'll probably be back with this probably like maybe 2 weeks or so. I kind of want to get this wrapped up and get it sent back out to GoldenEar. But if you guys do want to pick this up, you can always visit our partners over at Value Electronics. They help to get us the soundbar in. Great prices. Just mention us. They'll take care of you. So definitely stop by Value Electronics. I'll leave a link below in the description. You guys want to check that out, or anything that's going to be in the future video, like the LG projector. So thanks for checking out this unboxing.